Let's learn about the articles using a, an, and the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, like B, C, D, F, G, etc., A comes before the noun. Example: a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, etc. Next, an. An is also used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, N comes before the noun. Example: an apple, an orange, an old man, etc. The. We use the in front of all nouns. It doesn't matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable. It is to describe someone or something specific or unique. Example: how many suns do we have? Only one, so we called it the sun. How many moons do we have? Only one, so we called it the moon. How many earths do we have? Only one, so we call it the earth. But remember, there are some rules and exceptions using a and an. Example: an hour, not a hour, because it starts with hour, ow, a vowel sound. A university, not an university, because university starts with u, consonant sound. A university. Next, an X-ray, not a X-ray, because X-ray start with X-ray, vowel sound, X. A unicorn, not an unicorn, because unicorn start with U, unicorn. A unicorn, a consonant sound. So remember the first sound and words that make a U sound. Now it's your turn to answer. Fill the blank with a, an, or the. Blank, honor. Blank, European trip. Blank, world. Let me know in the comment below.